Welcome to VGS Mass Education.
Hi everyone, welcome back to VGS Maths Education channel. This is Ganesh sir. Today we are discussing about 10th class Maths progression 6th chapter. So in this second part, what is that? Geometric progression గురించి discussion చేద్దాం. So geometric progression general formation, what is that? A comma AR comma AR square comma dash 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 AR to the power of n. So it is a AR square dash 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 AR to the power of n minus 1. So in this A mean first term A1. It is the second term, what is that? AR. This is the A2. This is the third term. So it is going to, it is what is that? This is the nth term. Why? Because here is the r exponent 1 ఉందంటే ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ వచ్చింది అన్నట్టు, అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మోర్ దెన్ 1 వాల్యూ. హియర్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ 2 ఉందంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ టర్మ్, అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మోర్ దెన్ 1 వాల్యూ. హియర్ ఈస్ ద n మైనస్ 1 ఉందంటే హియర్ ఈస్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ nth టర్మ్, అంటే దీనికంటే ఒకటి పెద్ద ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి n వాల్యూ. an ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు AR to the power of n minus 1 అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ represented by A1, that is equal to A. Second term represented by A2, that is equal to AR. So third term represented A3, that is equal to AR square getting. So nth term AN is equal to what is that? AR to the power of n minus 1. ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2 ఒకటి తగ్గిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ nth టర్మ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ n మైనస్ 1 అంటే ఒక వాల్యూ తగ్గిపోయింది అన్నట్టు. సో A ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్. సో R ఈజ్ కామన్ రేషియో. కామన్ రేషియోని ఇక్కడ ఏమంటాం అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్ అంటాం అన్నట్టు. ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్. సో కామన్ రేషియో ఏ విధంగా వస్తుందంటే ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సెకండ్ టర్మ్ డివైడెడ్ బై ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ చేస్తామన్నట్టు. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ డివైడెడ్ బై ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అండ్ సేమ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ A3 టర్మ్ బై A2. సో లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. కామన్ రేషియో యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఇట్. సో ఎనీ టూ కామన్ రేషియో ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఈజ్ దే, దట్ ఈస్ ద జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అన్నట్టు. ఎనీ టూ కామన్ రేషియో ఈక్వల్గా వస్తేనే అది జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఉందన్నట్టు, లేకపోతే ఆ సిరీస్ అనేటిది జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో లేదు అని అర్థం. ఇఫ్ A2 బై A1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A3 బై A2 ఈక్వల్గా వస్తే దట్ సిరీస్ ఈజ్ జామెట్రికల్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఉంది అని అర్థం. In the geometric progression, R value A2 by A1 and is equal to A3 by A2. So it is the one formula, and one more formula, An is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. This is the introduction part of the geometric. This is the introduction part of the geometric progression. Now come to the exercise 6.4 లో సెకండ్ బిట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6.5లో ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ I will explain. So in this, what is that given? It is a geometric progression 3 comma 3 by 2 3 by 4 3 by 8. It is a given, and find the ratio, common ratio and n value. It is the finding. It is a question given. So now here is the series we are finding. So an value we need mean what is that formula? A into r to the power of n. So here is the r value also we are finding mean what is that? It is the series. This is the A1 and it is the A2. This is A3 and this is the A4. So r value is equal to what is that? R value, r is equal to A2 by A1. So A2 is equal to how much is there? A2 is equal to 3 by 2 by A1. A1 is equal to how much is there? 3 is there. So it is the numerator position is equal to 3 by 2 and denominator position only simple 3 is there. So that is reciprocal, you can write it is what is the getting 1 by 3 getting. So 3 cancel. So finally 1 by 2 is the common ratio. So now we are finding what is that an value. An value formula what is that? An is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. Common ratio వచ్చింది కదా, కామన్ రేషియో వచ్చినాక an value find out చేస్తున్నాం. So an value is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. So here is the substitute. Now a value what is that? A value already it is the 3 is there. So a value 3 substitute and r is equal to how much is there? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 substitute. So now a n minus 1 mean what is that? N minus 1. So finally an is equal to what is that? So an is equal to answer, that is the nothing here is the same, 3 of 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. This much only. This is the first bit. Exercise 6.5 lo first bit lo first question it is an value we are finding 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. It is the an value. R value it is the what is that? 1 by 2. Now second problem, 2 comma minus 6 comma 18 comma minus 54. It is the series given. So r value and an value it is the asking. So find the r value and an value. So it is the first term mean a1, second term mean a2, a3 and a4. So r value we are finding. A value what is that? A value is a1, that is equal to how much is there? 2 is there. And r value is equal to what is that? A2 by a1. So a2 is equal to how much is there? Minus 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So r value is equal to what is that? Minus 3. And r value it is the got it. So it is the finish. Now second one we are finding the what is that? An value. An is equal to what is that formula? An is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1. So an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1. So a value we know and r value we know. So then simple you can substitute. A value how much is there? A value is the 2 mean first term. So it is the 2 substitute. And r value is equal to how much got? Minus 3. So minus 3 is there. So it is put in the bracket. And exponent it is the n minus 1. So this is the finished. 2 into minus 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now third question. So minus 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 9 comma minus 27. It is the geometrical progression series. It is a given. So r value and an value we are finding. So it is the first term a1, a2, a3 and a4. It is a minus 27 given. So it is a minus the values it is a given. So now check it. A1 is equal to what is that? A is equal to a1. A1 how much is there? Minus 1 is there. So next common ratio we are finding. R is equal to what is that? R value always it is a a2 by a1. So now substitute. A2 is equal to how much is there? Minus 3. And a1 is equal to how much is there? Minus 1. So numerator and denominator minus is there. So minus minus cancel. So finally it is the r value is equal to how much is there? Simple 3. Denominator 1 is there. So that is nothing. So you can write is a simple r is equal to 3. Now an value. An is equal to what is that formula? Already we discussed an value formula, always a into r to the power of n minus 1. Now substitute. A value is equal to how much is there? Minus 1. Minus is there. So write in the bracket. And r value is equal to what is that? 3. 3 to the power of n minus 1. Because n value we don't know. So simple leave it. That is the answer. Now fourth problem. Fourth problem what is the given? 5 comma 2 comma 4 by 5 comma 8 by 25 dash dash dash. So R value and AN value now we are finding. So same method. So what is that? It is the first term A1, second term A2, third term A3, and fourth term A4. So A1 is A is equal to what is that? A is equal to A1. A1 how much got is there? 5. And R value always what is that? A2 by A1. So A2 is equal to how much is there? 2 by 5. So R value is the fraction number, we got it. R is equal to what is that? 2 by 5. So now AN value we are finding. AN is equal to formula what is that? Already you know. AN is equal to what is that? A R to the power of n minus 1. So now substitute. A value what is that? 5. And R value is equal to what is that? 2 by 5 all to the power of n minus 1. So here is the denominator also 5 is there, but here is the n minus 1 is there. So don't disturb. So that is the leave it. AN is equal to 5 into 2 to the power of 5 all to the power of n minus 1. Only this much leave it. It is the enough for this standard. Now second problem. Second problem what is that? Find 10th and nth term of the GP. So series what is the given? 5, 25, 125. So n 10th term రావాలంటే ఏంటిది? What is the formula? A10 is equal to what is that? A into R to the power of 9. So here is the series what is that? This is the A1, this is the A2, this is the A3. So AN solution A is equal to A1. So A1 is equal to how much is there? 5. So 5 value it is a finish. So R is equal to what is that? R is equal to A2 by A1. So A2 is equal to how much is there? 25. 25 by 5. So cancellation getting R is equal to 5 getting. So R is equal to 5. Now what is that asking? 10th term. 10th term mean what is that? 10th term is A10. A10 is equal to question mark, it is a given. So A10 mean what is that? A10 is equal to A R to the power of 9. Ikkada 10 అనేది కాబట్టి it is R exponent how much getting? 9 getting. So manaku A value you know and R value you know. Just substitute. A value how much is there? 5. And R value how much is there? That is also 5. So here is the exponent how much is there? 9. So here is a 5 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 9. So here is a both bases are equal. So exponent also both bases are equal. So exponent we are adding. So what is that? 5 to the power of 1 plus 9. So then what is the answer? Then we are getting 5 to the power of 10. 5 to the power of 10. 5 to the power here is the 5 to the power of 1, here is the 5 to the power of 9. Bases are equal ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేసాము? Exponent add చేసాము. So since what is the formula? A power m into a power n. Formula like that is there. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Formula is there. So this formula we are applying here. So 5 to the power of 1 plus 9, it is getting 5 to the power of 10. So here is which value it is a finished? 10th term it is the finished. So 10th term it is a finished. Now nth term mean a n value. A n value formula what is that? A R to the power of n minus 1. So a n is equal to a value how much is there? 5. 5 right. And R value how much is there? 5. 5 to the power of here is the exponent how much is there? N minus 1. So now observe, this is the 5 exponent to nothing mean 1. That mean nothing mean 5 to the power of 1. And here is the 5 to the power of how much is there? N minus 1. సో here is the bases are same, then exponent ఏం చేయాలన్నట్టు addition చేయాలి. సో bases are equal, so exponent you can add it. So 5 to the power of, here is the first exponent, how much is there, 1, and second exponent, what is that, n minus 1 mean plus n minus 1. So now 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel అయిపోతే, so what is the remaining, 5 to the power of n answer. 5 to the power of n is the answer. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి a to the power nth term అంటే an is equal to how much got it, an is equal to 5 to the power of n value got it. Here is the formula. You can, if you want to apply the formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula. This is here applying. Since 1 plus n minus 1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేసినామంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకో, ఈ ఫార్ములా బేస్ మీద యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలన్నట్టు. ఏ పవర్ ఎం ఇంటూ ఏ పవర్ ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్, ఏ పవర్ ఎం ప్లస్ ఎన్. సో ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ nth టర్మ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ ఇస్ దట్, 5 to the power of n. సో థర్డ్ బిట్ second problem, a1 is equal to minus 2 and r is equal to 1 by 3. It is the asking what is that to find the indicated term. It is the what is that indicated term. Here is the what is that to find a6. So it is also simple value, simple problem. So what is that to a6, we need finding what is that to a6 is equal to what is that to a r to the power of 5. So here is the 6 is there, exponent what is that, one value, it is a decreasing mean 5 value. So a value is there, r value is there, just simple substitute. A is equal to what is that, minus 12, and r is equal to how much is there, 1 by 3 whole to the power of 5. So what is that, minus 12 into 1 by 3 into, here is the what is that, you dot 3 into 3 to the power of 4, right? Because 3 into 3 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 5 getting. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. It is a cancellation purpose. It is a dividing, we write. We are splitting this. Here is the position. So what is that? Numerator what is that? Minus 4 got, and denominator what is that? 3 to the power of 4. So a power 6 term is equal to what is that? Minus 4 by 3 to the power of 4. Now fourth bit, first question I will explain. So here is the fourth bit, what is the given, which term of the GP, it is the series, it is a given. So first question, what is the 2 comma 8 comma 32 comma dash 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 is 512 is which term. So now 512 which term mean ఏ టర్మ్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్నట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఏ టర్మ్ అనేది మనకు తెలియదు. సో 2 మాత్రం ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, 8 సెకండ్ టర్మ్, 32 థర్డ్ టర్మ్. సో డాష్ 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 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి, కంటిన్యూ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఈజ్ 512. ఏ టర్మో తెలియదు కాబట్టి మనం ఏమంటామంటే nth టర్మ్ అనుకుంటున్నాం అన్నట్టు. సో ఏఎన్ వాల్యూ 512 ఇచ్చిండు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ a value, what is that, a value is the a1. A1 how much is there, 2 is there. Now r value is equal to what is that, a2 by a1. So a2 is equal to how much is there, 8. A1 is equal to 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So r is equal to 4 got it. So now an value substitute. An is equal to what is the formula, a r to the power of n minus 1. So an value already you know how much is there, 512. So a is equal to what is that, a is equal to, here is a 2, and r is equal to how much is there, r is equal to 4 got, 4 right, and exponent here is how much is there, n minus 1, and here is the 512 is there. So 512 mean, here is the factorization, you can find it. So 512 mean what is that factorization, 512 is equal to 2 2s are 4, here is a 1 balance mean 11, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. next 2 64s, 2 32s, and 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. How many 2s is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 512 instead 2 to the power of 9, right? And here is a 2. And this 4 instead you can write 2 square all to the power of n minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 9, here is the 2 to the power of 1, and it is the 2 to the power of 2, and this is the multiplication 2n minus 2. So now 2 to the power of 1 is equal to, here is the same, bases are equal to exponent also, bases are equal to exponent, you can add it. So here is a lot of much space not there, so directly I am adding here. So 2 to the power of 1 plus 2n minus 2. Now 2 to the power of 9 is there, just 2 to the power of 2n minus 2, here is the plus 1 is equal to what is that? Minus 1 getting. So now I am rubbing this factorization. This is a no need for. So what is that here? Here is the bases left side is equal to left side is equal to right side, bases are equal. Now what is that? Exponent also equal. So bases are equal, so exponent also ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, 9 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n మైనస్ 1 అవుతుంది. సో 1 ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రాన్స్పోర్టర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? 9 ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n. సో 9 ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10, 10 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n. సో వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ ద n వాల్యూ, n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10/2 got 2 cancellation, 2 1s are 2 5s are. సో n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? 5. n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 అంటే, సో 512 విచ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ దేర్? n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి an అంటే a5 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 512 అన్నట్టు. అంటే 512 విచ్ టర్మ్ గాట్? ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ 512 వచ్చింది అన్నట్టు. సో n వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఈ విధంగా ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది అన్నట్టు. సో ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ఏంటంటే అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దానికి ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఫార్ములాని బట్టి సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో జామెట్రీ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో ఓన్లీ 2 ఫార్ములాస్ ఈజ్ దేర్. సో ఆర్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, ఏఎన్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం. ఏ వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ కంపల్సరీ ఇస్తాడు. సో ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. నా ఫోర్త్ బిట్ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. సో √3, 3 √3 is 729 is which number? So here is the which term it is asking. 729 is the which term? So what is that? It is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the nth term. What is that? This is the nth term. So a is equal to a1, that is equal to what is that? √3. r is equal to what is that? r is equal to a2 by a1. So a2 is equal to how much is there? 3, and a1 is equal to √3. Now 3 we can write to √3 into √3 by denominator what is there? √3. So √3 cancel. So finally r is equal to what is that? r is equal to √3 is there. So and a value is there, r value is there. Now we are finding the an value. An is equal to how much is there? 720. Sorry, an is equal to formula what is that? A into r to the power of n minus 1. So an is equal to how much given? An is equal to 729. So here is the a value, how much is there? A value is equal to √3 into r is equal to how much got? R is equal to also √3 got. So this is the exponent to n minus 1. So 729 factorization చేస్తే 729 factorization we will get exactly 3 to the power 6 getting. 729 factorization is equal to how much is it? 3 to the power of 6. So see it. 729 is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are. Next 3 81s are. Next 3 27s are. So 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's why 3 to the power of 6 is there. So now root 3. Root 3 and here is a root 3, here is a root 3. So both are this is a nothing exponent mean 1. So it is a both are exponent, you can add it. Already we discussed that one. So 1 plus n minus 1. So this one cancel. So here is a 3 to the power of 6 and here is the root 3 power plus n. So here is the 3, here is the root 3 is there. So 3 also we can convert in the root 3. So what is that? 3 it is a mean you can write to root 3 to the power 2 and whole power 6 is equal to root 3 power n. So 2 into 6 is equal to what is that? Root 3 whole power 12 and here is equal to root 3 power n. Now what is the getting? So bases are equal to bases are equal. So exponent also equal. So what is that? N is equal to 12. So 729 a 12th is equal to 729. So 729 which term is there? 12th term. So 729 which term we got it is n is equal to 12 ante 12th term is 729. So this is the process of the we are finding the which term it is asking me. So you can use an is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1 formula you can use. You will get the n value, that is the nth term. Now fourth bit, third problem. Previous I explained second one problem. Now third problem. So 1 by 3 it is the first term, 1 by 9 it is the second term, 1 by 27 is the third term and 1 by 2187 is the nth term. So this is the which term now we are finding. So a is equal to a1, that is the 1 by 3. So now r value we are finding. R value is equal to what is that? A2 by a1. A2 by a1 is equal to a2 is equal to how much is there? 1 by 9 and a1 is equal to 1 by 3. So then reciprocal you can find it. What is that? 1 by 9 into 3 by 1 is equal to cancellation is equal to what is that? R is equal to 1 by 3. Got it. R is equal to 1 by 3. Got. Now an value. An is equal to what is that? An is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. So an value how much is there? 1000, 1 by 2187. What is that? An value 1 by 2187. So a value is equal to 1 by 3 into r value is equal to how much given? 1 by 3 power is equal to n minus 1. So 1 by 2187 it is getting 3 to the power of 7. So 2187 factorization is equal to 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6 and it is a 9. So same as it is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are and 3. So it is a 381 and 327, 3 9, 3 3. So how many 3s is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that's why 3 to the power of 7. Now here is a 1 by 3 to the power of exponent nothing mean 1 and 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. So same left side 1 by 3 to the power of 7, whole power 7 you can put. And here is a bases are equal and exponents too, you can add it. 1 by 3 power 1 plus n minus 1. Now next step, what is the getting? So this is no need. 1 by 3 power 7 is equal to 1 by 3 power, here is a plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is the remaining? Only n. So bases are equal, both side bases are equal. So exponent also equal. So what is that? N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 means 1 by 2187, which term? A seventh term is equal to 1 by 2187. So which term is that? Seventh term. So this is the problem. So we are find out the nth value. It is the fourth bit. It is the finished exercise 6.5. Fourth bit also finished. Now I will explain fifth one problem. Now fifth one problem. Find 12th term in GP. A 8th term 192 given, and common ratio R is equal to 2. It is a given. So now we are finding the 12th term. So first you can write what is the given. So A 8th term is equal to 192. It is a given. Common ratio R is equal to 2. It is a given. A value not given. So but it is asking what is that? A 12th term is equal to question mark. So A 12th term ante what is that? A r to the power of 11. So but R value it is a given, but A value not given. So that A value we are finding through the A 8th term. So A 8th term 192 we are using, and A value we are finding. So A 8th term is equal to what is that formula? A r to the power of 7. So A 8 is equal to how much given? 192. A value not there. R value substitute. What is that? R to the power of R is equal to 2. 2 to the power of 7. So here is a 192 factorization. You can find it. 192 factorization, how much getting? It is the 192. It is the exponent is equal to what is that? Just do it. (192) is equal to A into 2 to the power of 7. So 2 to the power of 7 you can convert in the simple number. So 192 by 2 to the power of 7 here. So we are finding A value. So 2 to the power of 7 mean how much getting? So now do it multiplication. So A is equal to 192. 2 to the power of 7 is equal to how much getting? 128 getting. What is that? 2 to the power of 7 is equal to how much getting? 128 getting. So now cancellation do it. It is equal to 4 4s are 16, and here is how much balance is there? 3 mean 4 8s are 32, and here also 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. So again is equal to how much is there? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 12. Here is a 4 8s are 32. So what is the value? A is equal to 12 by 8. And again also this one cancellation possible. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Finally A value how much is there? 3 by 2 got. So now we are finding the what is that? A 12th term. So A 12th term is equal to what is that? A 12th term formula. A 12 is equal to A r to the power of 11. Now substitute. A 12 is equal to A value how much is there? A value we got is equal to 3 by 2 into R value is equal to what is that? R value is equal to 2 is there. 2 to the power of 11. Now 3 by 2 into, here is the 2 to the power of 11. So here is the 2 and in this 11 one cancellation is equal to what is that? 3 into 2 to the power of 10 getting. So this is the answer. Understood? 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11 mean here is a 2, here is a 2 to the power of 11, 1 2, it is a cancellation, it is a 2 to the power of 10 getting. So finally a 12th term, what is that? 3 into 2 to the power of 10. This is the answer. Okay students, today we discussed exercise 6.5 or remaining 2 problems is there. You can solve that one. If you have any doubt is there, give comment, and if you are interested in these videos, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon, then you will get my videos as a notification. Thank you, and we will meet the next topic. Please subscribe and click the bell icon.